Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Deviled Eggs badge in Break-In. First, you'll want to head straight to the kitchen area of the house. Once there, locate the refrigerator. This is where your adventure begins. Open it up and start looking for the key items you'll need to craft those delicious deviled eggs. It's a straightforward first step to earning your new badge. Now that you're in the kitchen, it's time to gather your ingredients. You'll need eggs, which are usually right there in the fridge. Next, look for the mayonnaise. It might be on a shelf or in a pantry nearby. Finally, find the mustard, often located with other condiments. Make sure you have all three items before moving on to the next step of preparation. With all your ingredients in hand, it's time to prepare the deviled eggs. Head over to a crafting station, which is usually a counter in the kitchen. Interact with it and combine the eggs, mayonnaise, and mustard. Once successfully crafted, the deviled eggs item will appear directly in your inventory, ready for the final step. You're almost there. You've made the deviled eggs, and now for the exciting part, claiming your badge. Find the specific character who is waiting for these delicious treats. Approach them and interact to hand over the deviled eggs. As soon as you do, the deviled eggs badge will pop up on your screen, officially added to your collection. Congratulations on your new achievement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.